As you can see, the pool is green on the bottom and the sides due to algae growth. I'm going to show you how to clean the DE filter and shock your pool to get rid of this green. Let's go. Our DE filter is your standard AquaTech Diatomaceous Earth filter found in many homes. This is a standard FNS 60. To begin, I'm going to use a 7/8 socket to remove this bolt here. It's good to keep this connected how you pulled it out so you know how to reconnect it at the end. Set that to the side. Now you're ready to remove this piece. At this point, it's good to open the air bubbler on the top to let any of the water drain from here through your system back into your swimming pool. Once that's all drained, then we can remove the top. As you can see, when I remove this top, it's covered in algae and diatomaceous earth. It's very dirty throughout the grids, all down the sides. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift the unit out of the bottom of here, being careful not to break this piece. We're going to wiggle it as we pull it out, as I'll show you right now. E-filter is out. You can see there's quite a bit of algae in the bottom there. I'm going to go ahead and scoop that out. Here's our dirty DE filter. I'm going to take these grids over to my yard and spray them off. The next step is to clean all of this green algae and old diatomaceous earth off of your DE grid. Some people take this manifold apart with these bolts and clean each grid individually. I'm not going to do that for this video. This is going to be a simple DE filter cleaning video. One other thing to note is when you're using your water hose on these grids, do not put too much pressure on these grids because you can damage them. So use light pressure to remove all of the algae and dirt. Now that your DE filter is clean, I'm going to put it back in the way I pulled it out. Be careful when reinstalling the DE filter to not break this pole. Making sure that it seats nicely around the middle. We'll reinsert the top. It's good to point the gauge wherever you want to be able to view it. Tighten back down the collar using a 7/8 socket. And when you turn the filter back on, it's good to let the air come out of this nozzle. You can see air will start to flow out of the top. We'll do that until water comes out of it. Make note of what your pressure is here when the filter has been cleaned. Whenever the pressure rises, then you know it's time to backwash or re-clean your filter. It's time to start adding diatomaceous earth to your filter to replace that you lost in the cleaning process. Next thing I'm going to do is shock the pool. It's a good step after you've cleaned your DE filter to brush all of the walls and remove any loose debris from the pool to prevent further algae growth. I've shocked the pool with a few pounds of shock. I've also cleaned the pool sweep out by emptying the bags, and I'm going to start running that here shortly after the pool has kind of settled into its cleaning process. So now I'll show you some before and after pictures.